Good morning to all esteemed guest faculties. First of all, I would like to thank the entire team of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel College, Bhabua, especially Raj sir for inviting me for the talk and organizing such a wonderful international webinar on the topic of strategy and self-dependency in COVID-19 application of exotic materials in the field of physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, and engineering. This is a very relevant topic in today's world. So, I am going to highlight some points about coronavirus, repurposing of drugs, prevention, diagnostics, treatment, challenges, and strategy in the treatment of coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a large group of viruses that can cause a common respiratory problem in humans, ranging from a common cold. Apart from this, it also causes fatal diseases like MERS and SARS. It belongs to the Coronaviridae family. It also belongs to the nidovirus family. It is a large family of viruses. It is around 120 nanometer in size and about 40 different varieties is found. A single stranded RNA viruses. It is highly diverse in nature. A group of related RNA viruses that cause diseases in humans, mammals, and birds. COVID-19. COVID-19 is a coronavirus disease. 2019 because it was outbreak in 2019. It is caused by a coronavirus named as SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19, NCOV-19, NCOV, and SARS-CoV-2. All are same. These are the name of COVID-19. 7 CoV causes human infections, 4 of them causes mild infection, and 3 of them causes fatal pneumonia. Outbreak of MERS was in Saudi Arabia in 2012 and SARS-CoV-1 in China in year 2003 and now SARS-CoV-2 in China in Hubei province in 2019. How does SARS-CoV-2 looks like? In the first image you can see this is the image which was taken by a group of Indian scientists. A group of Indian scientists have taken the images of novel coronavirus using a microscope, special type of microscope. When the throat swab sample was taken under the microscope, the image taken by the scientist shows the round shape of the virus as well as the projections or stalks that is coming out from the surface of the novel coronavirus particles. The findings of the microscopic analysis of the throat swab have been published in the latest edition of the Indian Journal of Medical Research (IJMR). A structure or shape of SARS-CoV-2 created by the Center for Disease Control Prevention (CDC) shows the spikes on the outer edge of virus particle looks like crown. That's why the disease name is given COVID, and the schematic representation you can see in the figure or image 2 or 3 that SARS-CoV-2 has 4 structural protein: spike, S, envelope, E, membrane, M, nucleocapsid, N. In this spike, envelope, membrane, these three together create viral envelope, while nucleocapsid holds RNA genome. Incubation period. What COVID-19 symptoms looks like day by day. It can take a few as 3 or many as 14 days after being exposed to the novel coronavirus for the first symptom to develop. The first symptom of COVID-19 is usually fever. Then come common respiratory symptoms like a dry cough and shortness of breath that often turn into pneumonia. The worst cases often leads to respiratory failure, which could result in deaths. A cough caused by the corona is not a common cough. This is not common cough. This can cause persistent cough. That is, you may have a persistent cough for an hour or more than an hour, and you may have at least take care. Asymptomatic who never develop symptoms. Several research shows that SARS-CoV-2 infection in patients who never develop symptoms is asymptomatic. Home quarantine and active monitoring for at least 28 days after the last exposure with the case. A study shows that over 50% confirmed cases in healthcare workers were asymptomatic tested with RT-PCR. Data to date suggest that 80% of infection are mild or asymptomatic for COVID-19 and 15% are severe in India, and this data is very much matched with the China, where mild to moderate 81% and 14% are severe infections. Symptomatic. If symptoms develop like fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, use mask, self-isolate, and immediately inform the local health official. Spread of asymptomatic infection and detection of pre-symptomatic infection is not well understood. RT-PCR test. It is known whether the person's body is making antibodies to fight COVID-19 or not. It is used as a confirmed report. This test is used to detect the virus inside corona infected body. For this, sample from different parts of the body have taken It gives the information whether the person's body is making antibodies to fight against COVID-19. If not, patient is believed to have no coronavirus infection. So it is a very specific test, and some of the problems is also observed in RT-PCR test. It cannot tell how serious will the infection be in future, or will there be any symptom later. RT-PCR report takes some time, like 6 to 8 hours to arrive or come. 32% of people can have a negative report despite having an infections. The rate of testing in India is very low at around 20 tests per million compared to about 7,000 tests per million in South Korea as per the data. Why is rapid test needed? It gives quickly result within 50 to 20 minutes, gives the information of antibody inside the body, inside the corona infected body, gives the information whether the patient was infected or not after their recovery. So antibody test or rapid test, in this an antibody test or serological test is done. The blood sample of the person is taken. For this only 1 or 2 drops of the blood is needed from the person's finger, and this shows whether our immune system made antibodies to neutralize the virus. Whenever a person is a victim of virus, antibodies are made in this body to fight against that virus. This is called rapid test. Because the results are very quick, its result is revealed in just 50 to 20 minutes. But this is not very specific test, because rapid test gives false result many times, and for this reason this test is not specific and not commonly used. Currently RT-PCR test is used for testing. What happens when a rapid test is positive or negative? If the rapid test comes positive, then the person may be a patient of COVID-19. In that case, it is recommended to stay in isolation at home or stay in a hospital. At the same time, if this rapid test comes negative, then the real-time PCR test is done. When positive result comes in RT-PCR test, patient is kept in isolation in hospital or home. At the same time, it is believed that there is no coronavirus infection when the RT-PCR is negative. And from any region, when the PCR test of a person is not done, and then the person is kept in home quarantine, and after 10 days the antibody test is done again. That is, in both the cases it is not completely confirmed whether the patient is corona positive or not. A real-time PCR test is necessary and has to be done for the confirmed report. Prevention from COVID-19. Since no efficient drug is discovered so far, so prevention is better than cure, and safe practice, and for these safe practices is needed in the community. These are the general hygienes like hand hygiene, respiratory hygiene, social distancing. People who are underlying higher risk from severe illness like diabetes, kidney failure, heart diseases, cancer or other need medical attention. Pregnant women, as we don't know the impact of the disease on pregnancy as of it is a better to take care in these situations. Ayush Ministry with Central Council of Research in Homeopathy issued a health advisory and recommended that homeopathic and Unani medicine could be effective in the prevention of novel coronavirus infection. This is useful in symptomatic management of NCOV infections. Homeopathic medicines like arsenic album 30 is recommended by Ayush Ministry, and camphor 1 mg is also recommended by the homeopathy doctor. Ayurvedic medicine, Unani decoctions, home remedies, general hygiene measures for prevention. These are the phytochemicals used to boost our immunity system. These are the phytochemicals used as a medicine also from the very ancient time, and these are also known as antioxidants, which helps to boost or enhance our immunity system. These plant chemicals have protective diseases and preventive properties through which we can protect ourselves by including these in our healthy food habits. Since no any vaccines is discovered, so only need to take preventive measure to protect ourselves, self healthy practices, social distancing, general hygiene measures, etc. Natural immunity gained through the changing lifestyles and food habits, which helps to boost our immunity system. Take healthy diet and good sleeping habits. Take good amount of water. Do exercise and yoga regularly. Avoid smoking, alcohol, etc. Herd immunity can be gained through indirect protection like vaccination, BCG, polio, and the use of many anti-malarial drugs and antiviral drugs may be used to build immunity system, and disease may not create critical situation. However, these are only the hypothesis and preventive measure which require further analysis and research. And fourth one is the plasma therapy, that is also called antibody therapy. It has emerged as a hope for the world. Most researchers think that a passive immunization, it is a preventive measure, not a treatment for the COVID-19. In this therapy, after the recovery of the corona sufferer, other infected, maximum 3 to 4 persons can be cured through his blood. So in plasma therapy, blood around 800 mm plasma is extracted from the body of the patient by the aspheresis technique, in which the elements like plasma are removed from the blood and the rest of the blood is again put back into the body of the same patient. Antibody present in the blood plasma is now injected or transfused to the affected patients. So here some of the risk factor associated with the plasma theory: transfer of blood substances. As the blood transfusion takes place, there are risks that an infection might get transferred to the patient. Increasing risk of infection. The therapy might fail for some patients and can result in an enhanced form of infections. Effect on immune system. The antibody may end up suppressing the body's natural immune responses. So, plasma therapy is seen as a new hope for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Preventive measure, not treatment, and used to cure about 3 to 4 patients. Vaccines for SARS-CoV-2 vaccines. These vaccines contain weakened or dead bacteria or viruses, or even just a few proteins or sugars from the surface, and these activate the immune system of the body to make antibodies. There are development of many vaccines are in progress around the world. These are mRNA, which is developed by USA. INO 4800 is developed by USA. BNT 162 is developed by Germany and USA. ADS-NCoV is developed by China. ADOX1 is developed by UK. Wuhan BP is developed by China. LV SMENPDC is developed by China, and many vaccines are also in progress. No efficient drug discovered, although 7 vaccines here. Repurposing of drugs. The urgency of the situation favors a repurposing of active drugs. Repurposing of drug is the only alternative when no other option is available. So, vaccine in short duration due to huge pressure. Hydroxychloroquine, chloroquine, remdesivir, galidesivir, etc. These are the drugs used to treat various diseases or viral infection caused by virus in past. It is used as inhibitors of replication of the virus. ICMR is also planning to discover the efficiency of endometacin. Food and Drug Administration has granted permission for some medication to treat COVID-19. Anti-malarial drugs, hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine. Clinical results are mostly in favor of the repurposing of chloroquine. Remdesivir, effective against Ebola virus. And single-stranded RNA virus like MERS and SARS. It is a nucleoside RNA polymerase inhibitors. Discovery and development. It takes a long clinical procedure. It takes long time. So we target the existing drug to cure infection. There is urgency and need. New molecules will take longer time to develop as a drug. For this, firstly we have to target and identify the compound and then the screening of compound is done, and then preclinical testing of leading compound, and then phase 1 to 3 trial. So these are the drugs giving hope to treat coronavirus. However, these have also side effect. So these are the challenges which we need to have focus and develop some strategy. Three major challenges: very high infection rate, time, and mutation. Challenges: COVID-19 is spreading globally, but important is to take necessary measures. To develop effective drug is still a challenge for infected people of developed country like India. Generally, drugs take longer time, for years to develop. Historically, it takes 10 to 15 years. As clinical procedure is too long. Vaccines for healthy persons to prevent them from being infected. Find an effective drug in a short period is still a challenge. A tremendous challenge is being faced by the gathering efforts from academia, pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, national and international organizations, as well as the government due to the situation arised from COVID-19. Over 14 crore workers in India are working in unorganized and informal sector, and their sources of income have almost dried up due to closure of organization, small and large industry and firms, and they have do and die like situations. Lots of problem is faced by the healthcare workers. Gloves, protecting goggles and masks. Due to this, the skin of hands start descending. Glasses and masks cause problems such as itching and rust. Sometimes long use of mask may cause suffocation, and so the careful use of mask is necessary. COVID-19 has severely affected all the segment of population and ultimately the socio-economic system around the world. So a sustainable strategy needs to be designed to prevent and reduce such epidemics. The number of deaths and alert due to coronavirus is increasing day by day continuously around the world, which is a serious matter. Globalization of knowledge and practices have made the world heavily interdependent. A global village driven by the principle of knowledge economy and digital transaction connected society and home delivery. There are some positive impact of global village, but negative too also. Negative too. Sustainable and a model of self-sustainable society is being felt by the people around the world. So a sustainable strategy needs to be designed to prevent the epidemic. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.